Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 2 power x plus 3 equal 4 power x minus 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So first to find x we have tried to make the base equal. So we can write 2 power x plus 3 and 4 in terms of 2 I can write 2 power 2 whole power x minus 1. Now according to exponent rule x power m power n is equals to x power mn or x power n power n. So it's 2 power x plus 3 is equals to 2 power 2x minus 2. Now if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x plus 3 equal 2x minus 2. So here 3, take this negative 2 to other side plus 2, 2x and take this x to this side negative x. So it's 5 equal x. So the value of x is 5. Now let's verify this. So 2 power 5 plus 3 is equals to 4 power 5 minus 1. So it's 2 power 8 and it's 4 power 4. So 2 power 8 is equals to 4. I can write it as 2 power 2 whole power 4. So 2 power 8 is equals to 2 power 2 times 4. So it's 2 power 8. So yes, it's equal. So it's verified. So x is equals to 5 is the correct answer here. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So here is an homework question for you guys. Comment your thoughts what you get. So 2 power x minus 5 is equals to 256. Solve for x. Comment down below. I will pin the first correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.